This is how we remember our past. This is how we safeguard our future.
I volunteer! I volunteer as tribute! Nobody decent ever wins the games.
Nobody ever wins the games, period.
This is how we remember our past. This is how we safeguard our future.
Coriolanus Snow, future president of Panem.
Got the grades? It's the Plinth Prize. Tigers will be able to pay the rent.
Look at you. Your makeshift shirt and your too tight shoes. Trying desperately to fit in. I have summoned you all here today for the 10th annual reaping ceremony.
I'm your mentor. I do my best to take care of you.
Please don't let me die in here tomorrow.
I am gonna get you out of here. I promise.
I'm Lucky Flickerman, first ever host of the Hunger Games.
Enjoy the show.
Fueled with the terror of becoming prey, see how quickly we become predator.
Being capital's gonna kill me, so do something about it.
She's won! Lucy Gray!
If you can trust anyone in this world, you can trust me.
You can trust me too.
Coriolanus, what did you just do?
We're brothers. I swear I will keep you safe.
Are you coming to the tree?
Corey.
In the hanging tree.
Lucy Gray, where are you? Hello? Are you hiding from me? Ah! Ah! Oh! 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 Is that poisonous? Are you trying to kill me? Lucy Gray? Lucy Gray!
Now I know the whole world is an arena, and we need the Hunger Games to remind us all who we truly are.
And who are you, do you determine?
The victor.
Welcome home, Mr. Snow.